Today, we are going to have a discussion on the kinds of sentences. Sentence, what we mean by a sentence? A sentence is a basic unit of a language which expresses a complete thought or an idea. It's a group of words which donates some meaning, say sentence. But there are four types of sentences are there, four kinds of sentences are there. The first one is called statement or a declarative. A statement or a declarative means a common sentence, an ordinary sentence. It declares something or it states something. So we can just say that any ordinary common sentence is a declarative type. Declarative type means it declares something, that's all. A statement, a simple statement. It always ends with a full stop, a period. For example, Ravi Dej went to the market, or Suraj asked Kamal. I listened to the song. It was a wonderful experience. All is well. Okay, whatever it is, it's a common statement. That's called a declarative sentence. The next type of sentence is next kind of sentence is called as question type or an interrogative type. Interrogative means question, asking questions. An interrogative sentence is one that asks a question. Okay, for example, can I go now? What do you want from me? Where is that little kitten? Is it okay? Could you please give your pen? So, an interrogative question, interrogative type of kind of sentence is asking questions. It may be either a question asked for a confirmation or an information. It may be an yes or no type question, or it may be a WH question. But however, it's a question. That's all. So the clue point to identify the interrogative question is interrogative type of sentence is it ends with question mark instead of a period in the like that of the statement type. The third kind of sentence is imperatives type. Imperative means it may be either a command or it may be an order or it can be an advice. Okay, so an order or an advice or a command that is stated to the person in front of us. Okay, those are called imperative sentences. Imperative sentences is a kind of order given to the person, those who are in front of us. So it most of the time it never have a subject. It start with a verb. If you want to define an imperative statement, we can say an imperative statement is a kind of instruction or advice and expresses a command or an order or a direction or a request. Example, close the window, come here, shoot the elephant, do it now, take the pills. Here you can observe that the imperative statement never have a subject. It always starts with a verb like close, come, shoot, do, take, and ends with an exclamation mark. And the final and the fourth type of kind of sentence is exclamative sentence. Exclamative sentence means a statement that conveys a strong emotion or a feeling and or a kind of a excitement. Example for this: wow, how beautiful the Taj is. Loss, I lost the game. What a wonderful game it is. Okay, these are the examples of exclamatory part. Most of the time the exclamatory sentence have some kind of introduction like wow, hurrah, alas, oh, or ouch. These kind of introduction these kind of interjections are used in most of the exclamatory sentence. Otherwise it may be start with how beautiful it is or what a beautiful flower is it is. Okay, like that the WH form also can be used in the interrogative type, but though it's used the WH word, it never ends with a question mark. Okay, it's only with the ends with an exclamation mark, so that we can easily identify the exclamatory type of sentences. Okay, I hope that this short video just give